Hey y'all, so today I am gonna be trying out the Sweater Weather Lip Kit by Kylie Cosmetics. So I recently just purchased this lip kit and I really just wanted to try it out here on my channel and show you guys swatches of it and apply it on my lips so you guys can see the shade and decide if you would want to purchase it. And you guys know by my videos that I really like the Kylie Lip Kits. So this one in particular is in the matte formula. I know some people don't like the matte formula because it's drying, but her new matte formula is actually a lot more comfortable than her original matte formula. I upload every Monday and Thursday and I do cruelty-free makeup reviews here on this channel. So if you're interested in that, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when I upload a new video and give this video a thumbs up. So I am wearing a little bit of foundation on my lips right now just so that it cancels out a little bit of the pigment from my actual lip color. I love the black packaging that she has, and you get a lip liner and a liquid lipstick. Okay guys, so that is the swatch of the lip liner. In case you didn't know, her lipsticks do have a scent. They kind of smell like vanilla. Throughout the day, it does wear off, so you don't have to worry about it lingering if you don't like scents or anything like fragrances. Alright, so those are the swatches of Sweater Weather. I'm going to apply the lip liner now. Also, the formula of her lip liners are really good. If you think that the matte liquid lipstick is a little too drying, you can also fill in your lips with the lip liner. That will make the matte liquid lipstick feel a little more comfortable. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply the lipstick now. Alright y'all, so it feels really comfortable. Obviously you can apply gloss on top. This shade is so pretty. Love this shade. Let me know in the comment section if you like the shade. What do you think about it? Make sure you check out my other Kylie Lip Kit videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!